Surprise, surprise! S25 Ultra first ever hands-on look revealed the official design of Galaxy S25 Ultra. And it's true, they changed it, finally. This is the first ever hands-on look of S25 Ultra, but before forming an opinion that it's just a dummy, hear me out. This is for the case maker of Galaxy S25 Ultra, which means this dummy gets the exact same design as the original S25 Ultra, because the dummy should have the exact same dimensions as the original phone, so this is the final design. Now that we know it's real, let's debunk the design changes. First off, what you can see, S25 Ultra is getting a rounded design, but did you guys notice something? It is rounded, but less rounded compared to the base version of S24 or S24 Plus. Samsung barely removed the sharp corners, which is a good move. Second thing, if you notice or not, this phone is taller, and I mean less wider compared to S24 Ultra. It actually happens because Samsung removed the middle frame on S25 Ultra and reduced the bezel size on S25 Ultra to make it taller. Also, it is worth noting, Samsung makes a sides flat compared to the slightly curved on the S24 Ultra, but these will be titanium just like the S24 Ultra. Also, the thickness is reduced, 8.25mm compared to 8.6mm on S24 Ultra. Before going on a back design, Samsung launched the Tab S10 Ultra and offering up to $800 trade-in deals, which you can avail from a product listed here. Also big deals on S24 Ultra as low as $1,000. The back design actually reveals a lot, the camera lenses, and when we move to the sides, the camera bump is extremely small. Now there are two theories. Either this is just for indicating the camera location, and second, it's the actual thickness of the camera lenses. If it's the actual thickness of the camera lenses, then this is a massive update. Look how thin these camera lenses are. Although Samsung reduced the overall thickness of the phone, but reducing the camera lenses is also a major breakthrough, and this was already indicated by ICE well before that Samsung will bring one of the smallest camera bump among its predecessor, even less in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Also, the camera lenses look slightly bigger to my eyes. Maybe you got a different opinion on this, but when we look at the first ever hands-on look of a case shared by ICE Universe, it looks like camera lenses are slightly bigger in size compared to the S24 Ultra. With this video shared by ICE Universe, one thing is confirmed. The S Pen slot on S25 Ultra is moved to the edge, like really close, and I guess the design of a tip is about to change, would be curved on S25 Ultra. Second, the speakers. Either this is just to protect the speakers or they actually changed the design of a speaker. But in previous renders, it was indicated that Samsung will use the same speaker design as last year or like the Z Fold 6. Let's see if they change it or not. Remember, if you like S24 Ultra boxier design, you can get big deals right now, which you can check from a product listed in this video. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.